Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Tanya from Computer Science and Engineering Artificial Intelligence. I am from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. So today's subject is about RM and IPR. The topic is process of patenting and overview of industrial design. First one is process of patenting and overview of industrial design. Dive into the world of intellectual property protection from navigating the patent application process to understanding industrial design rights. So here you'll explore the key steps and requirements to safeguard your innovative ideas. Introduction to intellectual property and patents. What is IP? Intellectual property refers to creations of the mind such as inventions, artistic works, and symbols. Next is the role of patents. Patents grant investors exclusive rights to their inventions for a limited period, incentivizing innovation. Next is types of IP. Other forms of IP include copyrights, trademarks, trade secrets, and industrial designs. Next is the patent application process. Invention disclosure. The process begins with thoroughly documenting and disclosing your invention. Next is prior art search. Conducting a thorough prior art search to ensure your invention is novel and non-obvious. Drafting the application. Carefully drafting the patent application, including claims, descriptions, and drawings. Next is filing and prosecution. Submitting the application and working with the patent office to secure approval. So these are the four processes you need to maintain to complete a patent application. Next is patentable subject matter and requirements. First is novelty. The invention must be new and not known to the public before the filing date. Next is non-obviousness. The invention must not be an obvious extension of prior art to a person skilled in the field. Next is utility. The invention must have a specific sustainable and credible use or application. So these three are the requirements of patentable subject matter. Next is conducting prior art searches. Patent databases, searching patent databases both domestic and international to identify relevant prior art. So you have to search whether the database is already present or not, and you have to go through it. Next is non-patent literature. Reviewing scientific journals, technical publications, and other non-patent sources are non-patent literature. Next is competitive intelligence. Analyzing the activities and filing of competitors in the same field. So this is known as competitive intelligence. Next is identifying gaps. So determining where your inventions fills an unmet need or solves a problem differently. So you have to make sure that your thought of work is different from others and it has to meet other extension also. Next is drafting a patent application. First one is abstract, a concise summary of the invention's key features and benefits. Next is background, providing context and explaining the problem the invention solves. Next is detailed description, a comprehensive explanation of the invention structure, function, and embodiments. Next is claims, the legal definition of what the inventor is seeking to protect. So it is known as claims. Next is drawings, high quality visual representations of the inventions, components, and workings. Next is filing and prosecuting a patent application. So here are the four steps. First one is filing, submitting the patent application to the relevant patent office. Next is examination. The patent office reviews the application for compliance with requirements. Next is allowance. If approved, the patent is granted, providing exclusive rights to the investor. Next is patent term. Patent typically lasts for 20 years from the filing date, and then if you want to increase it, and you can renew it as well. Next is enforcing and protecting a patented invention. First one is monitoring for infringement. Vigilantly watching the market for unauthorized use of the patented invention. Next is sending cease and desist letters, notifying potential infringers and demanding the demanding they stop using the invention. Next is initiating litigation. If necessary, filing a lawsuit to enforce the patent rights and seek damages. Next is licensing and partnerships. Strategically licensing the patent to generate revenue and expand its reach. Next is overview of industrial design protection. First one is 3D designs. Industrial designs rights can protect the visual appearance of 3D products also nowadays 3D products has become more viral and people are really seeking to have the patent of 3D designs of their own because no one should copy their design. Next is 2D design. They can also cover the ornamental designs of 2D elements like icons and logos. 10Y protection term. 10 years protectional term. Industrial design rights typically last for 10 years with a potential for extensions. As I said, if you want to extend your term or policy, so you can do it. Next is the last one is key takeaways. Comprehensive IP protection. Safeguard your innovations through patents, copyrights, trademarks, and industrial designers. Next is strategic patenting process. Carefully navigate the patent application process from prior art searches to drafting and filing. The last one is enforce and leverage rights. Monitor for infringement, enforce your patent rights, and strategically license your invention. So thank you one and all. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity.